Hi boys and girls, so today we're going to talk about subtracting decimals. Subtracting decimals is similar to regular subtraction. The only difference is you're adding a decimal. It's the exact same process. So for example, let me show you how it would look. So let's say I have $2.25 and I'm taking away $1.74. So here are two numbers. What you need to do is line them up vertically. You put your bigger number on top, just like in regular subtraction. So I have 225. Now you have to make sure that you line up the decimals. So my next one is 174. You start with the smallest place value, which is over here, and you start subtracting. 5 minus 4. Can I do that? Yes, 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 7. If I only have 2, can I take away 7 from it? No, this is where you're gonna have to do some borrowing, some taking. You go next door. That 2 turns into a 1, so now this guy can turn into a 12. 12 minus 7. Something you can do is count up. So go from 7 to 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 is the difference. 1 minus 1 is 0. And the last step is you drop your decimal bomb. Doop, doop. 51 cents is your difference, okay? So we can start doing these with word problems. I'm looking for my eraser, I can't find it. So we can start doing these with word problems. So you could say, Miss Dawson went to the store and bought a bag of hot fries for $2.35. So I'm gonna write that down. $2.35, okay? She paid with a $5 bill. Now, the key with money is that you have to include a decimal in it. So I don't just say a $5 bill. A $5 bill is actually $5 and no cents. So that's what it would look like. We've already subtracted across zeros, so we should be able to solve this. 5. Can you take away 5 from 0? Nope. Look next door, it's another 0. This turns into a 4, and this turns into a 10. But does it get to stay a 10? No, it doesn't, because we need to borrow from it too. So this turns into a 9, and this turns into a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2, and don't forget your decimal bomb. Boop, boop. 265. Now, if Miss Dawson goes to the store and buys a bag of hot fries for $2.35 and she pays with a $5 bill, what's her change? 265. Now, how you can figure out if this is right is you can add these back together and you should get your biggest number. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And don't forget those decimal bombs, 5. So that shows that we did our subtraction correctly, okay? The key to subtracting with decimals is to line them up. Real quick, if you have a $5 bill, it's gonna look like this, $5. If you have a $10 bill, it will look like this, $10, because this is saying I have $10 and no cents. $20 bill, and we're probably not going to do anything higher than that, but you just want to make sure that you get these dollar amounts in decimal form. We've already done decimals and numbers, and we've done subtracting across zeros, so this is where kind of a lot of the skills that we've already practiced add up to our newest skill, which is subtracting with decimals.